Hello everyone, good evening. Relax na tayo. Reflecting on my term, na-focus lang kami primarily on the community projects. PWD projects, yung para games, na yun, masaya yun. Kasi yung Bags to School project na ginanap sa Marilog, naging masaya yung mga bata kasi nabigyan namin mga bags, mga pagkain. So, the linis kapaligiran, yung attention kasi nakaproduce kami ng 9 senators. Also yung TOTED, which we recognize top 10 enforcers of Davao City. Hopefully, on the next year is ipagpatuloy yung nasimula namin. I think the biggest challenges in JCI during my term is during induction, because we need to raise funds. So, we need to secure sponsors as well. Mabigat kasi nga malaking perang kailangan. And also siguro yung GMM kasi kailangan 15 or more para maging quorum. So I think yun lang naman. Yung leadership style ko, pagiging open and approachable, to listen. Importante yun. Role as being a president helps me develop my personal growth. It allows me to step out of my comfort zone, and it builds my confidence to speak in public. Also, sa mga projects namin, maraming matutunan, especially yung paano mo i-handle yung mga members mo. And it really helps my everyday life. Marami akong matutunan. Lesson learned, I value the importance of listening and also being resilient when there are challenges. We overcome some of the obstacles along the way and helps the team keep motivated. Siguro sa superpower, yung teleportation. Kasi yun nga, sa sobrang daming trainings, tapos kailangan mo mag-attend ng events na malalayo. Siyempre, as a JCI chapter president, dapat always doon yung president.
Funny moments during your term?
Yun, mga funny moments or unexpected moments na nangyari yung during DCI week. Okay, hindi yung sumali ako ng basketball. Hindi naman ako talaga naglalaro ng basketball. Pero yun, luckily naka 7 3 points sa sunod. One of the memorable moment sa projects namin, community projects, yung sa Bags to School project namin sa Marilog. Kasi mula okay pa yung daan. Pero along the way, yung kailangan na namin lumipat ng truck, doon na yung medyo masaya at naging adventure. From Press Acad to NatCon, my experience to JCI have been truly memorable and exciting. Thank you JCI Durian City for these wonderful experiences that have shaped me both personally and professionally. I look forward to continuing this journey together and creating even more amazing memories in the future. To JCI Durian City members, our board of directors, senators, I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart that you are there to support me through thick and thin, and I appreciate all your hard work, your efforts, your dedication in this organization. And thank you for being my rock